Question number 1.
Jennifer decided to the new art museum in Dallas. A. Going. B. To go. C. Go.
Question number 2.
Thomas suggested lunch at the cafe near Chicago. A. Having. B. To have. C. Have.
Question number 3.
Linda enjoys in the park during weekends. A. To walk. B. Walking. C. Walk.
Question number 4.
Thomas refused the late-night meeting. A. Attend. B. To attend. C. Attending.
Question number 5.
Jennifer avoids too much coffee before bed. A. Drink. B. Drinking. C. To drink.
Question number 6.
Linda promised Thomas with his homework. A. Helping. B. Help. C. To help.
Question number 7.
Thomas kept even when it was hot in Phoenix. A. Run. B. Running. C. To run.
Question number 8.
Linda agreed Jennifer moved to a new apartment. A. Helping. B. To help. C. Help.
Question number 9.
Jennifer looked forward to her cousins in Chicago. A. Visiting. B. To visit. C. Visit.
Question number 10.
Thomas finished his report just before midnight. A. Writing. B. To write. C. Write.
Question number 11.
Linda turned the TV before going to bed. A. Up. B. Off. C. On.
Question number 12.
Jennifer ran into an old friend at the mall in Dallas. A. Across. B. Into. C. Up.
Question number 13.
Thomas looked his keys but couldn't find them. A. At. B. For. C. On.
Question number 14.
Linda put her jacket because it was cold in Chicago. A. On. B. Up. C. Off.
Question number 15.
Jennifer grew in Phoenix, Arizona. A. Up. B. On. C. In.
Question number 16.
The teacher asked the students to hand their assignments. A. Up. B. Out. C. In.
Question number 17.
Linda is arriving Dallas next week. A. In. B. On. C. At.
Question number 18.
The concert will start 7 p.m. sharp. A. In. B. On. C. At.
Question number 19.
Thomas sat at the corner of the cafe reading a book. A. In. B. At. C. On.
Question number 20.
Jennifer lives Main Street in Chicago. A. In. B. At. C. On.
Question number 21.
Linda is very good playing basketball. A. In. B. At. C. On.
Question number 22.
Thomas divided the cake 6 equal pieces. A. Between. B. Among. C. On.
Question number 23.
Jennifer wanted to visit Dallas, Phoenix, Chicago. A. Or. B. And. C. But.
Question number 24.
The store sells clothes, shoes, accessories. A. Or. B. And. C. But.
Question number 25.
Linda enjoys movies, books, traveling. A. And. B. But. C. Or.
Question number 26.
Jennifer likes to read novels. Thomas prefers nonfiction. Linda enjoys poetry. A. Consequently. B. Furthermore. C. Similarly.
Question number 27.
The restaurant was crowded, the service was excellent. A. But. B. Nevertheless. C. Consequently.
Question number 28.
Thomas didn't study for the test, he failed. A. Consequently. B. Similarly. C. Furthermore.
Question number 29.
Linda loves to hike, Jennifer enjoys biking. A. Consequently. B. Similarly. C. But.
Question number 30.
The professor was strict, he was fair. A. Nevertheless. B. Consequently. C. Furthermore.
Question number 31.
Jennifer is a talented singer. A. Very. B. Talent. C. Much.
Question number 32.
Thomas runs fast in the morning. A. Very. B. Much. C. Too.
Question number 33.
Linda was tired after the long flight to Phoenix. A. Extremely. B. Extreme. C. Much.
Question number 34.
The team played well during the championship. A. Very. B. Too. C. Much.
Question number 35.
Jennifer quickly finished her homework. A. And. B. But. C. And also.
Question number 36.
Each student must bring own notebook. A. Their. B. His or her. C. They.
Question number 37.
Neither Thomas nor Jennifer remembered to bring tickets. A. His. B. Her. C. Their.
Question number 38.
Every employee should submit report by Friday. A. Their. B. His or her. C. They.
Question number 39.
The team celebrated victory in Dallas. A. Its. B. Their. C. Its.
Question number 40.
Someone left umbrella at the cafe. A. Their. B. His or her. C. They.
Question number 41.
Jennifer liked swimming, hiking, and A. To bike. B. Biking. C. Bike.
Question number 42.
Thomas enjoys reading, writing, and A. To paint. B. Painting. C. Paint.
Question number 43.
Linda is responsible for planning, organizing, and A. To lead. B. Leading. C. Lead.
Question number 44.
Jennifer prefers to jog in the morning, to read in the afternoon, and at night. A. To cook. B. Cooking. C. Cook.
Question number 45.
The manager asked employees to be punctual, respectful, and A. Cooperative. B. Cooperation. C. Cooperate.
Question number 46.
The teacher said, I will give you extra credit. The teacher said he give us extra credit. A. Will. B. Would. C. Should.
Question number 47.
Jennifer said she going to Chicago next month. A. Is. B. Was. C. Were.
Question number 48.
Linda asked if Thomas finished his homework. A. Had. B. Has. C. Have.
Question number 49.
Thomas told Jennifer that he already eaten. A. Has. B. Had. C. Have.
Question number 50.
Jennifer said she called Linda later. A. Will. B. Would. C. Should.
How did you score? Tell us your score in the comments below. Share this quiz with your friends and family, challenge their English too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Talk Learner for more fun grammar quizzes every day. Let's learn together and grow together. Thanks a lot for watching. Once again, take care and have a great day or night, wherever you are. Bye bye and keep smiling.